Pinuri naman ni head coach Eric Altamirano ang pag-step up ni newly acquired forward Matt Salem sa kanilang games ngayong season. Pero para sa Phil-American Cagers, sa coaches dapat ibigay ang credit sa maganda niyang laro. Ang kumpletong report hatid ni teammate Maria Isabel Reyes.
Grateful si NU Bulldogs head coach Eric Altamirano sa mahusay na performance ni newly acquired forward Matthew Salem para sa team. Kahapon sa laban ng Bulldogs at Growling Tigers, si Salem ang unang nakascore para sa koponan sa fourth quarter matapos ang 0 of 13 field goal ng team, dahilan para makahabol ang Espanya-based squad. Ayon kay Altamirano, hindi matatawaran ang hard work ni Salem para sa former UAAP champion team.
He's a stretch four, so he gives us a lot of spacing, and then that needed outside shot to help out Alfred. At the same time, he provides the rebounding for us. Aside from Matthew, Aquino, and Alfred, maliit na kami. So, very malaking bagay sa amin yung rebounding ni Matthew.
Para naman sa 6'3" Phil-American forward, ginagawa lamang niya ang role na ina-assign sa kanya ng coaching staff. Malaking tulong din umano ang teamwork at tiwala ng kanyang mga teammates sa kanya.
I just got to go out there and do my role. It's the only thing I can do to help the team. For us to be able to win, everyone has a certain role to do, and we got to do it to our best ability to help the team. So that's what I think helped us win today.
Dating naglaro para sa DLSU Green Archers, lumipat noong nakaraang taon sa Hoxton-based squad si Salem para sa kanyang asa na magkaroon ng mas magandang playing time at exposure. At ayon sa newly activated forward, mas maganda ang blending niya sa team dahil sa guidance ng kanyang coaches.
You know, the coaches, they worked really hard they did a good system. They thought for everyone to blend. So it's not just who's on the team has to blend. I mean, our bench goes so deep, and anyone can step up any day. So I think the coaches did a really good job of figuring out what system to use for everyone, to be honest.
Nag-average ng 11.4 points at 7.8 rebounds per game si Salem sa kanyang unang 5 laro ngayong season. Maria Isabel Reyes, PTV Sports.